Hello everyone. So this is CA Akshay Thakkar over here. Basically, I am going to take care of your taxation part, both direct tax and indirect tax. Now let us understand first what is tax. So what is tax? So tax is a fee charged by government on income, goods, services and activities. Now this income comes under direct tax part. This goods, services and activities comes under indirect tax part. Basically on goods and services we have GST, and for activities like import etc we have customs. Now why does the government charge tax? So we need basic facilities such as proper sanitation, roads, bridges etc, infrastructure. So for that we need money. So where we will get money? So from tax. So tax is a fee charged by government on four things: income, goods, services, activities. On income they charge, it comes under direct tax, and goods, services and activities comes under indirect tax. Now for income we have Income Tax Act 1961. What we have? Income Tax Act 1961. Now first let us understand from where does the government get this power to make law. To make law, where does the government gets power? Okay. Now one fine day Prime Minister comes and say, मित्रों 8 नवंबर 2016 से और 500 और 1000 का नोट बंद हो जाएगा. So from where does the government gets power? Okay. So the government gets power from the my bap of all law, mother father of all law, that is Constitution of India. Constitution of India. Now Constitution of India says, refer schedule number 7. Now schedule number 7 says, refer article 246, and in that article 246 states, refer entry number 82. Okay, so let's come again. First, where does the power come from? Constitution of India. Constitution of India says, refer schedule number 7. Schedule number 7 says, refer article 246, and article 246 says, refer schedule entry number 82. See, I will show you practically. uh, this is on Google. I have typed Constitution of India PDF. So in 7 schedule we have list 1. Okay, in list 1 the entry number 82, entry number 82 states taxes on income other than agriculture. So from here the government gets power. And in list we have 3 lists. Okay, concurrent list, state list and union list. Okay, so in union list 1, basically central government can make laws. In state list, state government can make laws, and in on concurrent list matters, both of them government can make laws. So from here entry number 82, the government has get right to make Income Tax Act 1961. What does it states? Taxes on income other than agriculture. Now agriculture income is a matter of state government. So So basically, we will study further that on agriculture income there is no tax because we need to promote. But state government can levy tax in future if they want. So it is covered under state list. So this background is clear to you. So from here, entry number 82, the government got right to make Income Tax Act 1961. Okay. And in Income Tax Act 1961, we have 298 sections and 14 schedules overall, just for the knowledge purpose. Basically, any act, the act start with the section number 1, that is preamble. Okay. Then section number 2 comes. Preamble means the purpose of making the act. Okay. Then section number 2 covers what? Definitions. Section 2. Okay. Then section number 3 covers definition. In Income Tax Act, there is one definition of previous year. So for Income Tax Act, we have definitions के लिए दो sections, that is section number 2 and section number 3. Okay. Now for knowledge purpose, if suppose I write 2 subsection 231, okay, A1. Okay. So this is section number. Okay. This is subsection. This is clause. And this is subclause. Okay. And for definitions, if there is some, say example in section 231, we have definition of a person. So for definition, we use 2 clause 31. The reason is the like in definitions, they are chronologically ordered from A to Z. So there is no linkage of sections. So we called it as, we don't call it as a subsection, we called it as a clause. Did you get this? Okay. And here comes the section number 4, the base of the act, the pillar of the act, that is main charging section. What does it uh what does it says? That uh, income tax is a tax charge on income. Hope this is showing to you, otherwise no. Okay. Income tax is a tax charge on income earned by a person in previous year at rates relevant to assessment year. So from this we need to learn what is income, what is person, okay, what is previous year, PY stands for previous year, what is assessment year, and what are the rates applicable to individuals or HUF, or what are the rates basically applicable to person. So we will follow one sequence. See, this base is important starting a lecture, some half an hour, 20-30 minutes, but it will clear your base. See, you are studying BCom from university, but the quality of lectures you are getting is marvelous. So sequence would be, first we will study what? Person. Then we will study what? Previous year. Then we will study assessment year. Then we will see income, and then we will see what? Rates. And one good news, rates are not there on in your syllabus. Okay. Sure. So sequence would be first is what? Person. Now person is defined under section 231. See, if you read any section now, it will include two words, means and includes. Okay. So if in definition the word means is written, like example, person means this means that is what exhaustive definition. Person is this means this. Okay. And word includes means etc etc. Inclusive definition. Like person, so section 231 says person includes what? Person. By chance, if any person does not get covered, then also he will get covered because of the word what? Includes. Did you get this? So person includes first individual. Now who are individuals? Person like us. ठीक है? He, she. ठीक है? In signal we have a देना. He is also a person. Minor child. Can minor child be a person? Arey, definitely yes. Can minor child earn income? Yes, from singing in little child chance or DID we have for small kids. So can minor have income? Yes, definitely yes. So individual includes natural persons, minors, okay, etc. etc. Then next is HUF. Full form is Hindu Undivided Family. Basically, the Hindus create like undivided family in that there is a head is a karta, okay, who takes care of the management part, etc. So HUF is there. Okay. Then we have company. See, basically, practically, HUF is created to get a basic exemption limit. We will study further that 2 lakh 50 is a basic exemption limit. Till 2 lakh 50 there is no tax. So to claim that basically HUF is formed practical. Then companies are there, foreign companies, Indian companies. For tax rate they are different. Baki companies includes every company. Okay. Then we have partnership firm, including LLP. Okay. So partnership firm including LLP, limited liability partnership. Okay. A and B are two partners. Example, they come for a business. Then partnership firm is a person. Then LLP is also a person. Then we have this AOP and BOI. AOP full form is Association of Persons, and BOI full form is Body of Individual. Now, what is this? AOP, like basically, example, I want to enter in a joint venture. I want to construct a bridge, say example. Then a individual, and let us take example X private limited. They comes together to make certain bridge. So association of person includes one or two persons coming for joint venture. Okay. And body of individual. Now you might be thinking, कि अरे, if two persons come together, individual, then it would be body of no. Okay. The body of individual means example. Let us say A and B are there. They have uh, like their grandparents was example Mr. X. He died and he rest behind the will. Okay. So they are enjoying common inherited property. So they are what? Body of individuals. And last is AJP, artificial juridical person. What is artificial juridical person? Whoever does not fall in this of the categories will be artificial juridical person. Let us take example of, like say example, dog. Can dog have income? That entertainment movie you might have watched that okay, so dog can also have income. Now dog falls under this category? No, it falls under artificial juridical person. Balancing figure. Temple temple Tirupati Balaji etc. Temples are there. It falls under does not fall under this category, so it will come under artificial juridical person. Then we have like trust we have. So it falls under artificial juridical person. Basically balancing figure. Okay. So this was the definition of person. So what does person includes? First, individual. Seven persons are there. Uh, Section is 2 clause 31. Individual. Then we have HUF. Then we have company. Then we have partnership firm including LLP. Then we have AOP BOI, and then we have AJP, artificial juridical person. Hope you are getting the point. Let's continue further. Now let's come to previous year. So previous year basically is a financial year in which we earn the income. So previous year, can I write PY? Okay. PY is a year in which income is earned. Okay. Previous year is a income in which income is earned. Now my question to you, can previous year be of less than 12 months? Can previous year be of less than 12 months? Think and answer. The answer is yes. Why? For example, I cleared my CA in January, results comes. Okay, Jan 23 I cleared. Then in February I started my own business. So financial year will get complete in on 31st March 24. Okay. Example, this is example. I cleared CA long back. Okay. So February 23 to March 34, how much months? 2 months. So can my previous year be of less than 12 months? Yes or no? So previous year is a financial year in which we earn income. Let us take example, uh, previous year 23-24. So from when it will begin? It will begin from 1/4/23. हाँ है ना? Yes or no? And it will get end on 31st March 24. See, basically I am Mumbaikar, so yeah, sometimes Hindi can come. Okay. So this is example of what previous year 23-24. Basically financial year in which we earn income. And it can be of less than 12 months because we can start our business in between also. Okay. And next come next comes is assessment year. So we have taken example of previous year 23-24. So our assessment year will be 24-25. Now in previous year we earned the income. Now we need to file return of income, compute tax. Okay. Let us assume our TDS has also been deducted, tax deducted at source. Okay. So we need time for computation. So it will be done in assessment year. Okay. So assessment year is a year in which we file return of income. Okay. Then compute tax liability, etc. So now my question to you is, can assessment year be of less than 12 months? See, uh, this will be, when it will start from 1/4/24, when it will end 31st March 20. So can assessment year be of less than 12 months? My question. The answer is clearly no. Okay. See, assessment year will be always of 12 months because we will file return of income, compute tax of last year, previous year. Assessment year will be always of 12. For your general knowledge, for individuals, we have like whose turnover does not exceed 2 crore. Like basically, tax audit is not applicable. Then we have due date of return filing is 31st July. Practically, you might have your July month season hai. So that is what 31st July is date of return for individuals. Basically, who are not having audit. Then for audit, we have 30th September, and we need to file audit report till 31st October of assessment year. And who and 30th November is due date for transfer pricing. Okay. Basically, some companies some companies have transfer pricing provision. Basically, from one unit, they transfer goods or services to another unit, but internationally. So their due date is 30th November. Okay. So this is all general knowledge. Okay. Now let us come to the point. Next is what? Third definition is income. Now in income, we have five doors. Okay. Charging section is the main pillar, main base. Then these are the, sorry, charging section is the main base. And these are income is all pillars. Okay. So in this we have five, like in income we have five this much. Five, see, I will make it like that only. One, two, three, five house we have. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. Rabba, 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 rabba. See, five house you can see. Every house has one door. Don't go on my drawing. See, see, these are the doors. And in last home, we don't have any door. Okay. So this door is basically charging section of individual house. We can take example. Now first house is income from salary. Okay. Then next house is income from house property. Then we have income from capital. Sorry. Then we have income from business or profession. Then we have income from capital gains. And last may we have income from other sources. Basically, we say five heads of income. So what are they? Income from salary. Okay. Income from house property, income from business or profession, income from capital gains, income from other sources. Now, what is income from salary? So basically, an employer-employee relationship is there. Then this is the charging section. This door will be rang. Okay. Then if this door says come, then income will come under income from salary. Then we have income from house property. Basically, I have two houses. I have given on rent. I earn only rental income. Then income comes under the income from house property. Then we have income from business or profession. Practically also it is very important to you. Business or profession. Like we can have a business. Many of our cases, many of our clients will be of business. Then income from capital. If I sell any capital asset, basically land I sell, example, or I sell shares, then such income will come under income from capital gains. And last is income from other sources. It is like AJP, artificial, जिसका कोई नहीं उसका income from other sources. So any income which does not fall under this four category will fall under this category, income from other sources, balancing figure. Basically, example, dividend income. Okay. Then you can say saving bank interest we have, that is also chargeable to tax. So that all income comes under income from other sources. So these were the five heads of income. The rates part is not applicable to you. Okay. And in next lecture we will go through the PPTs. But this basic, there was a need, I thought that this basic lecture needs to be taught to you. You should be knowing how the act is made. Okay. From where does we from where we get government gets power. So from Constitution of India, practically this is not taught, but I thought that base should be clear of you. So I just recorded this basics lectures, and from next lectures we will go through PPTs, etc. And hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you so much.